little duck, waddling by with lots of luck, splashing softly in the pond, swimming where the lilies float. Quack, quack, what do you see? Butterflies dancing near a tree, fish are swimming down below, watching all the ripples flow. Quack, quack, flap your wings, listen to the birdies sing, round and round the pond you go. In the sunshine's golden glow. Quack, quack, time to play, chasing bubbles all the day, happy duck with feathers bright.